What's up guys, it's the Morons Cakes, and in today's video you haven't been driven as a passenger in my Suzuki ViTaRa 1.4 liter 140 horsepower booster jet with a 6-speed manual gearbox, guys. So we have this beautiful sunny day today and this nice road. I have turned off all the system and assistance. I am going to Sport Plus, not Snow, Sport Plus mode, first gear, and let's go guys, let's drive it. First turn. Handles well. Of course there is a body roll. More speed, but I don't see in a lot of traffic today, guys, so I have to be careful for the others, of course, not only for me. That's why I always leave 1-2 steps away from your limits, because after all everything can happen. So I'll slow down here. If you never drive your 1.4 liter turbo car like this, you will never know how good it's actually and how powerful is your engine. I have a sliding in the back on this corner. The car was sliding, that was nice. Let's go. Well, you see, BoosterJet, Suzuki, this cheap car, which is an SUV actually, can be a great track car. Why not? Why this Kajar is throwing me water, stupid Kajar. It's a brand new car throwing water. to the back car. I washed my window from his water. So you see that actually BoosterJet, this cheap car, cheap Suzuki, can be a great car, really a great car on the corners. All the power and you have such nice curvy road, you can actually enjoy with that car, really enjoy. It's nice response, differentials are working. The bad thing is the brakes, because they easily overheat. After all, they are standard, but I'm careful with the brakes, not pushing them too much. People, always be careful. Leave room for the people. You enjoy, guys? Yeah, me too. I love these roads, guys, and I can enjoy with almost every good built car, doesn't matter. Okay, this one started accelerating. Let's see, I think this is a Lexus. Let's see how this Lexus will cope with the corners. Well, he is afraid, he doesn't know the corners well, like me. Oh, an SUV. Actually, that SUV can throw him away here because he don't know the road, and maybe he is not a good driver. I don't know. I know that road. I'm not a perfect driver. Second gear and full throttle here. So here, turn around. Okay. This Lexus was wondering how this one already is coming back. So insane. Well, that Feroza will be for the next corner. It's dangerous, guys. It's really dangerous on such small roads, and it doesn't has really hit and run power, and you have to actually go crazy in the next lane, praying every time. The 4x4 works really nice on the corners, guys. Really nice. tires, guys, which are softer. That's my highway here. I love this straight. It's like a track, actually. What's my fuel consumption driving like a maniac on this nice curvy road? Well, it's 12 currently. Of course, I use all of the power of the car, a lot of brake, a lot of throttle. This car is glued to the ground actually. Actually, if I were using Continental tires, not next in winter, will be really better, but it's still a great car. Look at it, how it takes turns. Really beautiful, really beautiful. If it wasn't a SUV but was lower car with lower suspension, it will be really a track car actually, guys. And if it has a remap, it will be really small, fast car. Yeah. Okay, guys, always turbo cars and the other cars, of course, but turbo especially, you have to leave the car to rest in the last minutes of your drive in order cool oil to go into the engine and turbos, so that you have an optimal temperature when you turn off the engine, in order to not to have some problems with the turbocharger after that, and with the parts being too hot and you're turning them off with a hot oil. That's not good for the engine. But I really enjoyed that drive. I hope you enjoyed too. So subscribe to us, put the notification on, guys, so that you receive an alert when a new video is out, and stay tuned for our next car videos, guys, because we love cars like you do. Bye, friend. It's like a Christmas tree with all these lights on. A traction control, you don't have an assistance of the front collision and so on. Who needs that, guys? Who needs? Good job, Suzuki, good job.